Hello and welcome, Brilliance community. Today, we're setting sail on an enlightening voyage into a fascinating domain where nature's raw essence intertwines with holistic well-being. Our subject for the day: the enigmatic and powerful essential oils. In this comprehensive guide, we'll demystify what these oils are, how they exert their influence, and most notably, the array of health benefits they bring to the table. Trust us, you'll want to stay with us until the very end because we have a surprising essential oil to unveil. An oil that not only sharpens your mental prowess but might also unlock the door to age-defying vitality. To truly appreciate the potency of essential oils, we must first delve into their roots. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts that capture the natural smell, or the essence, of their source. Every drop of these oils holds a unique blend of aroma and health-promoting properties, making it a living testament to nature's bounty for our wellness. But how do these plant-derived elixirs work their magic? The secret lies in our senses and biology. Essential oils mainly exert their influence through two routes: inhalation and topical application. When we breathe in these aromatic oils, they stimulate our olfactory system, or sense of smell. This sensory input then influences specific areas in our brain governing emotions, mood, and memories, essentially creating a therapeutic impact on our psyche. With a basic understanding in place, it's time we journey into the heart of today's topic: the extensive health benefits essential oils promise. The first star of our essential oil ensemble is lavender oil, often hailed as the tranquil potion. Its calming properties have made it a favorite in many households. One gentle inhalation of this floral delight, and you'll feel your worries start to disperse, making way for tranquility. It's akin to having a soothing companion for those days when life space seems overwhelming. Up next is the vivacious peppermint oil. This essential oil is your go-to ally when grappling with discomfort from a cold or a nagging headache. The crisp, refreshing aroma of peppermint oil has the power to invigorate your senses and provide relief from headaches, acting as your personalized revitalizing cool breeze in a bottle. Onwards to the realm of citrus, we introduce lemon oil. Known for its detoxifying abilities, lemon oil can be your immune system's trusted comrade. Moreover, its zesty aroma can enhance your mood and infuse your day with an energy boost. It's like having your own little bottle of sunshine. In the world of skincare, tea tree oil shines with its powerful antibacterial properties. Whether you're wrestling with a breakout or a minor cut, a touch of tea tree oil can accelerate the healing process and keep potential infections at bay. Consider it your personal, plant-derived first aid kit. As we near the end of our aromatic exploration, it's time for the grand reveal. Our surprise essential oil is the venerable rosemary oil. Long used for its memory-enhancing capabilities, rosemary oil can be a potent weapon in your mental wellness arsenal. But here's the real game changer. Recent studies hint that rosemary oil could hold potential anti-aging properties. Picture having a sharper mind paired with a youthful radiance, all potentially attainable through this humble bottle of oil. Together, we've navigated the captivating world of essential oils, journeying from their origins to their diverse health benefits. Keep in mind that consistency is key with any wellness regimen, including essential oil usage. We encourage you to integrate these nature-infused wonders into your routine and witness the transformation that follows. If you found value in today's video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to Brilliance for more health-boosting content. Here's to maintaining our collective brilliance.